I was sent this set of Bluetooth-enabled headphones from VEVOR and asking my opinion. I'll make this short video, so let's check them out. Here's everything you're going to get in the box. These are hearing protection. So if you're operating large heavy equipment, lawnmowers, anything like that outdoors, these are going to protect your ears from that sound coming in. But they've also got Bluetooth enablement so you can listen to your own tunes, make a phone call, do anything connected to your phone with this same set of headphones. So let's look at the features on it. The strap on the top here extends off and up and down here, in and out, so that you can wear a hat with it. If you have a large head, you can adjust this right to fit you. The buttons here on the side have the typical buttons, but let me show you a little different on how these work. This has got a light here for your Bluetooth. If I press and hold the power button, then that'll come on like that, and it'll make a Bluetooth connection into my phone. And then volume is here and here. So push to the left here, it'll make the volume go down. Push to the right, the volume will go up. And then press play here to start a call, answer a call, or to start the music, whatever is connected on your phone already. They're marked right and left. We've also got a couple ports here on the bottom. This one here is for an external jack that would be provided to you. If you've got a music source that uses a mini jack like this, you can plug it in here. On this side here, you've got USB-C, and they give you that cable as well to charge the headphones by plugging it into a USB-C power source. And then right here is the microphone for telephone calls. So if you're making a call and you're talking, your sound of your voice will go through here. You're going to see also a knob on here, which is not functional. On this model, this does not do anything. So you can turn it all you want. It won't change the volume or anything a bit. And then there, you notice really subtly here, there's some microphones here and here that are going to hear sound outside of the headphones for you and do some noise cancellation to keep it nice and quiet inside. So when you're riding that mower, you're not going to have to worry about any noise getting in. It's going to keep that sound at bay. So really nice set of headphones. Got plastic here. These soft earmuffs, easy to clean. If you get hot and you're getting sweaty and dirty, dusty, you can wipe this clean before your next run. Very easy to, and they're pretty well made because you can push on them here and you feel like this is going to like hold up. It's got some memory foam inside there. Overall, really good looking. Really sit well between the ability to flex out like this and extend like this. They can make it really comfortable as you're wearing them. So, hey, I hope this was helpful to learn a little bit more about this set of VEVOR headphones. Hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.